beyond our beyond our capability. So here silence is the one which which is the one which is expressing the inexpressible. So music comes next to silence. So expressing the inexpressible. Yeah, music and its elements can be used skillfully to to bring back like a person who has undergone a physical or emotional trauma, to bring back into his normal life. And it has a quality of a non-verbal quality, and it induces motivation and interest. Also, it has psychological and behavioral in nature. So a person who can use his music as a healing, is a way of healing, to heal a person who has gone, as I told you, emotional or physical trauma or any kind of difficulties. So here, first he has to build up a relation between that person who needs to be undergoing this healing. So here, because relation is an important thing which establishes a trust and rapport between him and the person, and this is required because the other person needs to have trust and belief on the person. So here I would like to categorize the different elements of the music, so and give its details and how it helps other person. Like for example, singing. You take a case of singing. Singing is helps a person who has speech impairments to improve his articulation, to improve his breath control and rhythm. So likewise, a person who has worked with instruments or who is playing instruments and who helps him to control his disruptive impulses, or like for example his emotional trauma, uncontrollable emotions, to bring back to normal and soothing mind. So, and third category is rhythm control, rhythm movement. So, rhythm movement, as the word indicates, it is a soothing and a smooth flowing of variety of patterns. So this induces inside a person a motivation, and it is a non-verbal persuasion of a person to indulge himself socially. So, and next coming to composition. So composition, this type of this music element helps a person to share his feeling and ideas, and also learn share his feeling, has a tendency to share his feeling and ideas to other person, and take his ideas. So this way an interaction happens between that person and the other person, and hence interaction and also improves communication, and improves induces improves his self-reliance, and betters his self-discipline. And one of the intriguing fact of this music is listening to classical. The research has found that listening to classical music at a very early stage helps a person to increase or better the synaptic connections between the brain. Synaptic connection is nothing but the connections between the different areas of the brain, and hence increases intelligence or thought process. So there are other benefits is like improves cognitive skills like attention, memory, etc. As a matter of fact, there is another interesting fact about this, like the ear is the first sensory organ to be developed in a womb. So hence our first source of information is the sound about the outside world. So this helps us in orientation and self-defense, and it it locates or indicates and collects all these sound signals into propulsive behavior for our self-preservation. Also, research have proved that different tunes, like listening to different favorite tunes, helps a person to develop an interest in certain kind of fields like words, improve better in words, maths, or provide a improve significantly in sports or outdoor activities. So I like to conclude with this that you have seen so much benefit from the music, listening to music. So Toastmasters go and plug in to the right tune and control your emotions and thoughts, follow your rhythm. What do you?